Welcome to this Ziperase instructional video. In today's video, we're going to look at the first start settings for erasing and refurbishing a MacBook with Device Link from Ziperase. If this is your first time using Device Link, check out this video on how to set up a Device Link station for MacBooks. The link is in the description box below. Let's get started. Before connecting the target device to be erased, power on the Device Link unit by pressing the power button on the front. When Device Link is booted and ready, you'll see the main user interface. Let's have a look at the settings. Here, you can choose wired or wireless connection and enter the SSID and password for your chosen wireless connection. Below that, we've entered the default username and password. You can change this to match your internal process. Here, we have the Extra Fields section. Click on the plus button to add an extra field. Each field provides options for text, number format, or a prompt for a yes or no response. We can also make these default or required responses. Once these items are saved, you'll see them appear on the tasks page right away. They become active once the erasure sequence begins. Now we're going to navigate to the Manage tab, then select Network. Take note of the station name here. It includes the serial number of the Device Link box, and is printed on the unit. The station name is the host name for the Device Link unit. It is advertised on the local network via multicast DNS, and appears in final device reports and issue reports sent to Ziperase. Now let's see if we're connected to the internet by checking the status. Click Software Version to see if you have the latest version of Device Link software. The Install Update button will appear if one is available. It's important to check that the date and time are set correctly. Just click on this drop-down menu to select your time zone, then click Apply to set it. These details also appear on device and issue reports. If you require production labels for erasures, this is where to check that printing has been set up. You can find instructions on how to set up a label printer in the user manual in the Ziperase customer portal. Before we connect to the target MacBook, we're going to navigate back to the Tasks page. Then we'll click on Start a new Mac. This starts a new session that only terminates when we click Pass or Fail. Making sure the target MacBook is powered off, let's connect the appropriate cables. Once you're ready to start, click the arrow on row 1. You'll see Device Link begin the erasure process. When you see a yellow alert pop up, Device Link needs an operator to do something. A red alert pop-up indicates an error or warning. Device Link will display a message in each instance to tell you what the issue is. Once all the tasks have been completed, remember to click Pass or Fail to complete the session. The Reports page shows the last 12 devices processed on this Device Link unit. You can click on any of them to view all the data collected during processing for each device. If you've configured a label printer, it will automatically generate a label once you click Pass or Fail for an erasure. To print labels for previous erasures, select the option here. All reports appear in the Ziperase customer portal, where you can find the entire catalog of erasures on your account. You can view all the details of each report, and the certificate button takes us to the erasure certificate that's available to download, view, or print. You can remove the Mac from the Device Link station and start the next session immediately. We've added links in the description to the Quick Start Guide with written instructions for this process and the FAQs for Device Link on our website. The user manual is a great resource that's available from the Ziperase customer portal. And if you need some extra help, or you have a suggestion or query that isn't answered on our website or the user manual, there's also a link to the Ziperase support section, where you can raise a customer service request. Thanks for watching.